Usomlomo womkhandlu waseTshwane uzithole ebhekene nolaka lwamaqembu ezombusazwe abedinwe eveva ethi sesiphelile isikhathi sekomiti lemeya njengoba lemeya seyesulile esikhundleni.
What is happening it's regrettable. However, according to our own coalition agreement, we hold each other accountable as parties that are involved in this coalition government.
Amanye amaqembu abusa ngokubambisana aweneme ngendlela okusingathwe ngayo ukwesula kwemeya yalomkhandludolobha.
We weren't happy with the auditor's report, and yes, it's factual, and we as Action SA take note of that, and our main thing is that consequence management must take place.
We are holding the DA accountable, and we are pleased that actually the mayor is resigning, and there will be consequence management in that regard.
ANC ne-EFF bathi ukhoxiswa komhlangano namuhla kuzosiza i-DA ukuthi ibe nesikhathi sokuba iqede izingxabano phakathi kwamaqembu abusa ngokubambisana.
There's chaos in the city. I mean, what we have all known is that there's a meeting of council. Upon arriving here, the meeting was postponed. So it's very clear that there are serious problems within council.
This is very disappointing, and it's said that the Democratic Alliance and their coalition partners have turned this municipality into a mockery.
Kusenjalo usomlomo uthi alikaqokwa usuku okuzokhethwa ngalo imeya entsha.